Let's start by looking at the big news of the day. Barclays Bank released its financial results this morning. Profit before tax, profit after tax up 6 billion shillings with an interim dividend of 2 shillings per share. And the share's up marginally. That's about 1.2% today. What's your outlook for Barclays?
Nothing much in their results actually. If you look at the figures going down, their top line was flat. Basically flat. No much growth on their interest income. What Barclays did last year was fire 1 or 2 or 3 employees, and they managed to cut their costs. So our worry is how will you grow a bank or run a bank cutting costs? So we don't even think this year they have to go out and lend money. Because last year they literally did not actually lend money to anyone. They put it all to the bank, so the interest income from their banks, from the central bank, was actually higher than from their loans and advances.
Okay, let's look at Equity Bank. The results are out today. We hosted the CEO on Power Lunch today, and he seems pretty optimistic going forward, especially pegging on their expansion strategy. Is this a bank that you're looking out for as we get into the year?
Yes, it's, I can safely say you can pick up equity and you won't go that wrong this year. Most of the expansion strategy that they did last year will break even around March this year. And for the group profits, we expect it now to start going back into the double digits going forward. So a good counter.
Demand for Safaricom seemed to be renewed today. We saw the share price close at about 5 shillings and 35 cents according to market reports. And the locals seem to be selling and foreigners are back to buying. What's happening behind that counter?
Safaricom has become your classical penny stock. What people used to do with Everready and Yosamia, people just go in, buy it at a lower price, sell it at a higher price, buy it at a lower price, sell it at a higher price. So you see much on Safaricom on that going on forward. People just use it as a penny stock to turn around your portfolio, make a quick 4 or 5% gain and moving onwards. Yeah.
Now we're seeing a lot of volatility in the market this week. One day it's up, the next day it's down. Mumia's sugar was up 5% yesterday, it's down 5% today. What's happening? What's causing all that volatility?
I think the last time I talked to you, I told you there's a bubble that's about to be burst. Because people are thinking results that are going to come good results, wowing results. So far, the 3 companies that have given us results are not any indicative of any better results that will come into the market. So you'll find what is happening is where a market goes up a bit, drops down larger percentages, corrects a bit, then drops again larger percentages. And you see this happening. Like today, most of the counters were up, but the index is actually down. And you'll find tomorrow maybe most of the counters will be down and a few up, and it will just be a swinging that will be taking place as we go on.